Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you guys seen Jailann's purple hair?
I've been gone for a long time, but you know what, it's fine. I've been wanting to try a new style, so here it is.
But we're glad that you guys are back. So yeah, today we were thinking about doing a brow tutorial because, you know, when I see a lot of girls, I'm like, oh, that's cute, like her brows are cute, but then sometimes I'm like, ooh, that's not it. So we kind of wanted to show you guys because it's been long overdue. Like for my brows, like I need to clean them up.
But I do my brows a little bit different than Mannashton's. Like, you know the glam brow that everyone does? I don't do that.
Okay.
Do you think mine look glam?
We're
going crazy in this quarantine.
We're going crazy in this quarantine. We're going crazy in this quarantine.
What was that? Are you in the studio?
Of course. If you guys want to continue and watch how we do this eyebrow, this is a beginner eyebrow tutorial for you guys. So if you want to know how we do it, then stay tuned.
Okay guys, so you're going to start by brushing your eyebrows upward. And you're going to take your tweezers and start tweezing towards the end of your eye and working your way towards the inside of your eye. Right, your eyebrow should then look like this. Next, you're going to grab some scissors and brush the eyebrow hair downward. You're going to cut towards the end and then all the way towards the inside of your brow. Okay, then you're going to brush your eyebrow hair upward and you're going to take your scissors again and cut from the end of your brow all the way towards the inside of your brow and just on the top this time.
Okay guys, so my brows are a little bit thicker than Ashton's, so I'm just going to brush them up with this brush right here, give them a little bit of life, make them alive, yes. So now I'm going to take the scissors and I'm just going to cut from the outside towards the inside, so just snip, snip, snip. This one's easier for me. So I'm going to brush them down, and then I'm going to do the same thing and cut from the outside towards the inside of my eye. And your brows should turn out like this.
Our 3503 Fierce by Nature palette, we're going in with the dark brown, our angled brushes, and also our Cream of Nature edge control, and placing it on our brows. An edge brush to brush it back. We're using the Hazelnut Fenty powder and just paling it on our brows.
So we're taking our brush and we're starting from the inside of our eye, closest to the nose, and we're just going to blend it all the way to the end. Heading to the top of our brow, and we're going to start from the middle towards the end. This is the perfect time to fill in your arch or make an arch.
To get the wispy effect, do 2 circular motions outward and just start to fill in the bottom part of your eye. And watch it look natural.
Using LA Pro Concealer and Fawn, I use a flat circle brush and Ashton uses a flat square brush. We just take a little bit and clean up our brows from the inside to the outside. So the technique I use is brush down, and it makes it look more natural and blends in with your skin really well. Alright, so this is our final look, and you have crisp, clean brows. Okay guys, so this is our finished look.
Thank you guys for watching. This is how we do our brows. We hope that this video was very informative and that you guys were able to follow along.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be back with another one.
Yes. See you guys next time. Bye.